In the wake of the recent tragedy at Ichamati, where two non-tribal laborers lost their lives in an attack on the 27th of March 2024, the Coordination and Welfare Committee, Shella, Bholaganj block and adjoining areas had forwarded copies of the FIR filed by the victims' relatives to the Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The FIR accuses the Khasi Students Union of involvement in the incident, which occurred following a Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 meeting organized by the KSU at Ichamati Bazaar. The committee has raised concerns about the absence of police presence in the area and the status of non-tribal residents, particularly in Ichamati, and has urged for the perpetrators to be brought to justice. Furthermore, the committee has called for a thorough and transparent investigation into the matter or for the case to be handed over to the CBI or the NIA. In a separate correspondence to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan, the committee president has reiterated the demand for a fair resolution. Meanwhile, the Meghalaya Linguistic Minority Development Forum, represented by S.K. Chaudhary, has sought permission from the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills for a sit-in demonstration at Khandailat Point in Shillong on the 7th of April 2024 to protest the tragic deaths of Ishan Singh and Sujit Datta on the 27th of March this year.
Yes, in fact, right now the police is on the lookout. They have identified few people and they are searching for them. So we will see, we'll update you as soon as, but as per law, we will move forward and whoever is responsible for this will be brought to justice.
No arrest made?
We are moving very aggressively, as I said. We have already identified individuals. I don't want to take names, neither I want to give the numbers, but we have already identified and we are moving forward.
The state BJP has condemned the incident which has happened in Ichamati, where two daily wage earners were murdered in broad daylight. Okay, and today we took the opportunity of giving a memorandum to the Chief Minister himself personally, so that he will direct the state police to ensure that these criminals are arrested at the earliest. The charge sheet is submitted as per the mandatory period and speedy trial taken up so that justice can be given to the family members of these two deceased people.
But the FIR also directly said that the people involved in that incident were the KSU members.
I mean, that we leave it to the police, the wisdom of the police department, investigating agency. We will not want to comment. We have not even seen the FIR. We leave it to the wisdom of the police, and we should be able to. So we took this opportunity. We, as a state BJP, we condemn this killing, and we will continue to condemn any form of killing of any community.